Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101 series. Today we will be showing you how to search HTTP status code using Criminal IP. HTTP status codes tell the client which actions were taken by the server with the requests. Web pages that return specific HTTP status codes can be found using Criminal IP's status code filter. In our example, we will be using status code 403, which is a forbidden status code that denies access to clients regardless of their credentials and may act as an indication that the server contains sensitive information. If you add an as-name filter here, you can narrow down your search results to view only 403 code pages for a specific website. The same can be done by using status code 500, which is an internal server error that shows when the server fails to complete a request. This page exposes the website's programming language and server, creating room for potential vulnerabilities that could be used in an attack. These types of HTTP status code can themselves act as a risk, and because of this issue, recent security policies have appropriately revised their methods to show a general error page to circumvent this problem. We will see you again next time with another search tip.